How to promote your YouTube videos with a post in your channel community tab. Let's see how it's done in this video. Once you are logged into YouTube account, you need to click the create icon in the top right of YouTube page. And next, click the create post tab from this menu list, which will bring you to the community tab of your YouTube channel. And now to promote your channel video, in channel community page, click the video button. And from here, you can select any of your videos in your channel and insert it in the post. Add a suitable title and click the post button below. And done, publishing the video in channel community page. You can see, like this you can promote your own channel video under your channel community page.
And I request you to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button to get updates on new videos like this.